Time in transit, unraveling the transient behavior of M vertical bar, M vertical bar, M vertical bar, MQs. Computing an exact solution for the differential equations with differences system that allows the determination of the M vertical bar, M vertical bar, M vertical bar, M system transient probabilities is a hard task. The respective complexity grows with M. The computations are extremely fastidious, and the length and the fact that the expressions obtained are often approximate and not exact will not allow the transient probabilities behavior as time functions characterization. To overcome these problems, in this work it is analyzed how that system can supply approximate values to the M vertical bar, M vertical bar, M vertical bar, MQ system through matrix calculations. It is also presented an asymptotic method to solve the system that becomes possible in many cases to obtain simple approximated expressions for those probabilities using the M vertical bar infinity transient probabilities, very well known and very much easier to study. Introduction. This study explores a type of waiting line, or queue, where customers arrive randomly and are served by a limited number of servers M. If all servers are busy when a new customer arrives, that customer is turned away. The service times are random but follow a predictable pattern. We focus on understanding how many servers are busy at any given time and the chances of each possible number of busy servers. However, when there are 3 or more servers, it's nearly impossible to get exact solutions for these probabilities due to the complexity of the required equations. These equations are difficult to solve, and even when solved, the answers are so complex that they offer little practical insight. Therefore, we rely on approximate solutions or computer simulations to analyze the system's behavior over time. This approach helps in estimating performance without needing exact, but often unmanageable, mathematical solutions. Conclusions. When trying to understand how a multi-server queue system behaves over time, especially when there are 3 or more servers, it becomes extremely difficult, if not impossible, to find exact mathematical solutions. Even when possible, these solutions are too complex to give useful insights. To address this, we used numerical methods instead. One such method, based on matrix calculations, is accurate and manageable with today's computing power, though it can be demanding. However, understanding how the system evolves over time still requires analyzing long lists of numbers. Fortunately, two theorems 4.1 and 4.2 offer simpler formulas to estimate how likely the system is in different states at a given time. These formulas help compare systems with a limited number of servers and those with unlimited servers. The drawback is that we can't precisely measure how accurate these approximations are, but they still offer a practical way to study complex queue behaviors. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.